The crafting note, the crafting note, the crafting note, the crafting note, the crafting note. Hello, hello to my wonderful crafted creators. I'm Felicia with the Crafting Nook. Again, we have the fantasy coasters from Molds and Shapes. Okay, I am using Paduo resin, and I will also use some gold glitter. Okay, this is a piece that someone requested. They want these coasters, so I decided to go ahead and do a quick record on them. I have my resin stirred. I have 8 ounces of resin. Okay, so now I'm gonna pour in some gold glitter. Okay, this is fine glitter, so I don't think it wants, I don't think she wants it to be completely taken over with glitter, but we do want to put enough glitter so that you can see it sparkle. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little bit more. Okay, that's about enough there. I'm gonna mix that up, blend it really well. And I didn't think to do this myself. You know, just have regular nice fantasy coasters with the glitter in it. That would be really nice. And you can kind of mix and match it in any room that you choose. It don't have to just sit in one particular place. So can y'all see that? All the glitter. I think I want a little bit more. Oh my. I think I want to do a little bit more. Do another shake. Do another shake-a-roo. Shake. So I'm going to add a little bit more in there. Maybe that's enough. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. That is cute. It's really cute. I think I'm gonna like this myself. Okay. Oh, that's beautiful. I think that's just enough. I think it's just enough. I'm holding it up to the sides and stuff like that. And it is beautiful. It's very beautiful. I'm just making sure I'm blending it well. And we're gonna go ahead and pour. So if something like this, you know, don't strike your attention, please feel free to fast forward. Okay, you can fast forward at any time. I do appreciate you coming on to the channel to take a look at what I have going on here. It's beautiful, 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 beautiful. And the reason I haven't went all the way up to the top is because you know how sometimes glitter will kind of feel prickly. Let me do this center one too. It'll feel prickly, and I don't want that to happen. I just want it nice. Got some more I can put in here. And a little more in here. So when I do come back, I will just be putting a very slight top coat on, just to make sure that we don't have any of the glitter, you know, just sticking up on the edges. That is pretty. Okay, I like it. I like it a lot. It is plain, but I myself personally love plain things. I don't like too much going on. That's just me personally. So I'm just wiping my stick off, and we'll be back. Okay, my crafty creators, we are back. The top coat has been done, and it's time to demold, honey. So let's see. This when I use this mold, it sticks to the silicone back there. Oh wow, that is beautiful. It's beautiful. See right through it. It's really nice. I like it. I think that she would like it as well. It's really nice. So let's see with this next one. Oh yeah, it's gorgeous. It is gorgeous. I never thought to do this myself, you know, for me. But it is very pretty. Very, very pretty. I love it. It's nice. That's nice. I hope she'll be a happy camper. Oh, wow. All of them came out just right. But Duo, you are on it, honey. You are on it. Excuse me for clearing my throat. Get that off. I don't know what that is. But it's beautiful. I love it. I love it. I'm wondering if she would like to have it, the edges trimmed in the gold. But she wanted them simple, just plain fine gold glitter. So this came out wonderful. It's nice. So we gotta give it a few days to cure, and I will have them packaged up and sent in the mail. They're beautiful. I love them. So let me move some things so that I can put a white background so that you can see a little bit better. Okay, just a little bit better. I'm just gonna peel this up. Molds and shapes, honey. Molds and shapes. Let's get this over. Get a quick white background so that you all will be able to see it a little bit better. Just gonna put these up first. Look at it. Can y'all see? Uh-oh. Let me go in a little bit. Maybe right there. But it's beautiful. They are beautiful. I hope that she loved them. With that being said, this video is a wrap. So I hope that you all enjoyed it. I tried to make it short, you know, because I'm trying to get better with the timing of things, what I do. So we're gonna just wrap it up. Please stay positive, say something kind to someone, and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.